Yes, dear students, we'll start the continuity of matrix and determinants of basic maths second year PUC. So far we discussed about the matrix, that is addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix, scalar multiplication, transpose of matrix, even we have discussed the multiplication of matrix also. So based on that, we have done problems in exercise 1 and 2. Now the continuity of the chapter is determinants. Now what is a determinant? So determinant means what? An arrangement of elements into equal number of rows and columns between vertical lines is called as determinant. So determinant means what? An arrangement of elements into equal rows and columns. Between the vertical lines is called as determinants. Okay, it's called as determinants. Or we can also tell that every square matrix associated with the real number, will give the determinants. Our simple definition is an arrangement of elements into equal rows and equal columns. That means rows and columns are equal. In between the vertical line is called as determinant. For example, we will take 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is an example of determinant. See, I have taken equal number of rows and columns. How many rows are there? 2 rows are there and 2 columns are there, and these 2 rows and columns are between 2 vertical lines. One more example I can take: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Here also what I have done? I have taken equal number of rows and columns. So that means there are 3 rows and 3 columns, and these are being placed, and these elements are between the 2 vertical lines. Hence it is also called as determinant. So very clearly, determinant means what? Number of rows should be equal to number of columns, and all those elements should be written within a vertical line. Is called as determinant. Few will write the determinant as A11, A12, A21, A22. That means A11 means A11. So this will represent row and this will represent column. So that means this represents element. That means the element which is present in first row and first column. Okay, the element which is present in first row and first column, that is nothing but A11. A11 means the element which is present in first row and first column. You see, this is the first row and this is the first column, and the element present is 1. So that is called as A11. Here also, this is the first row and the first column. The element present is A, then it is called as A11. Similarly, A12. That means the element present in first row, second column. Okay, this is first row and this is second column. So first row, second column is 2. First row, second column is P. Similarly, this I can take it as A13. That means the element present in first row, third column. This is A21. The element present in second row, first column. So element present here, second row, first column is 3. Second row, first column is D. Okay, this is A22 means the element present in second row, second column. Suppose for the G, I can write A31. A31 means the element which is present in third row, first column. This is A32. The element present in third row, second column. This is A33, the element present in third row and third column. It is not like A11, A12, A21, A22, not like that. A11 means the element present in first row, first column. The element present in second row and second column. Few will write like this. Even few also will write it as, few will also write it as A, B, C, D. Okay? A, B, C. Few will write even A, B, C. Okay, that means the elements which are present between the two vertical lines. Okay, now with this example, with these two examples, I can tell that, see, this is a definition of a determinant where the elements are arranged in 2 rows and 2 columns. Here also the elements are arranged in 3 rows and 3 columns, and all the elements are present between the two vertical lines. If they are present between square bracket, then it is called as matrix. If it is present between two vertical lines, and that should be a square even, so then it is called as determinant. By this only we can tell that for you there are two types of determinants. For you there are two types of determinants. Here it is having 2 rows and 2 columns, hence it is called as second order determinant. It is called as second order determinant. Whereas here we have 3 rows and 3 columns, hence it is called as a third order determinant. Yes, write down. Determinant means what? An arrangement of elements into equal rows and columns between the two vertical lines. Okay, is called as a determinant. Yes, with this example, you can take this is example 1, this is example 2. Yes, please note down.